Every nook and cranny and garbage can he inspects so thoroughly. When he's on his rounds, nothing's out of bounds to his curiosity. He can smile and purr at a pretty her till she don't know where she's at. Nose like a geiger, oh, what a tiger is that darn cat. He's a sly old codger, an artful dodger, a scrounger unsurpassed. A ball of fire, a 9 live wire who just can't be outclassed. Yeah, this midnight rover, he lives in clover. It's an art